So I wanted to bring you this outfit. I had a 10:30 appointment to see a house. My realtor called me, I think at 10. I'd already taken a shower. I was just in the bed reading. So I had to jump up. So I threw a t-shirt, some stretchy, comfy pants, capri-like pants, and this that my spiritual mother gave me, and this that my best friend Lynn gave me, and I was out the door. And hey, you know how you can spruce up your style? You can get frames to match the clothes or colors that you love the most. Something simple, something unexpected, and be your best you. For those that, you work a lot and on the weekend you just throw on a pair of bummy outfit, but you really want to look stylish. Here's some pointers for you. One thing you can always do and always have on hand, graphic tees. They are lifesavers. You can go to Walmart, has great graphic tees for less than $6, I think. Walmart, Target has some amazing graphic tees. But wherever you find your graphic tees, and always have your graphic tees on hand. And like today, I had to run out really quick. I threw on a graphic tee and some comfortable capri-like, knit pants. Look, I was out in a scarf. I was out the door. But some pointers for making you look really stylish and you're not trying. Get frames. Invest in frames that kind of go with, a lot of the colors that you may have in your closet. Look, these bracelets always, just to me, give your outfit a whole nother vibe, a whole nother style, all by themselves. Love, love, love. These to me are a staple. They're a staple with any outfit, especially if I don't feel like dressing. This makes it look like I tried when I'm not trying. But those are just some pointers. Easy styling when you don't feel like it, you don't feel like ironing. Here you go. All right. Join me. Come back every Sunday. I'll post a new video for you. Enjoy. Read your word every day. Bye-bye. Da-da-da-da. Oh, here it is without it. All right. Have fun.